I feel like a baby bird. Say
We're the woodpeckers from Mars, everybody.
Okay, we can't do this. Okay. Introducing the story right now.
I think we already did.
No, we didn't. Nope.
Move back a little bit. Move back a little bit. Move back and towards me, shoulder to shoulder. You're misbehaving. I met an old man dying on a train, and his name was Mike Patton. And we're the train wreck. We're Mike Patton's pooch. Okay, enough. When you look at all of Mike Patton's music using this lens, fuck me. When you look at all of Mike Patton's music, hold on, no, hold on. When you look at all of Mike Patton's music through the lens that he is telling the story of this pregnant kid from the Church of the Motherfuckers music video, it all starts to make sense.
That was awful.
Fuck you. Mike Patton's music is fairly incoherent. I interpreted it that way for years. And then I saw the Church of the Motherfuckers music video. I started putting two and two together. How's that? Listen, you have no say here. Your fucking head ain't even right.
I think you need to, like, spin my head back.
Okay. Alright. Mike Patton is telling this. Wow, okay. Fucking ass.
What?
I just fucking forgot the rest of what I was gonna say.
Try, because what you're saying is pretty fucking bad.
You're a fucking cone head with a fin on the top of your head. Oh my god, look at your fucking head. We gotta, like, try and figure out how to not be assholes here, because this is actually really serious. I can't deal with this. Well, I met an old man dying on a train. No more destination, no more pain. He said one thing before I graduate: never let your fear decide your fate. You put Mike Patton's music in alphabetical order because it's an order. Get it? And the first song is AWOL Block Party. We are the AWOL Nation. Look at a little fish head over here. Isn't she cute? She's so cute.
I'm bettering.
What the fuck are you doing? And we're the Mojo Kids. Oh no. The reincarnation of Mike Patton's twins. In the true spirit of you, Mike Patton, we are fucking assholes. It's a wonderful day to have a friend, to find a hero in you. You could be an asshole or a fuckhead. We'll find a hero in you. Who's asshole and who's fuckhead? I'm pretty sure you're fuckhead.
My head's fucked.
And I'm a fucking asshole.
Got a fucking dent in the top of it. Look at that.
Well, yeah, I mean, I fell out of Mike Patton's ass onto my head, and it dented my skull. And now I'm going to have a dented skull for life. That's the bump from where I fell.
Thanks, Mom!
You could be an asshole or a fuckhead. What are the Nights of Shame?
Oh,
All I know is I'm the kid who's got the bomb.
Jesus, let me finish my song.
And lastly, you'll see me be 3x3 firing these things called TNT.
They call me TNT. Oh, oh.
You could be an asshole.
I gotta try it again. Oh. This is funny. This is good.
This is terrible. We're here to talk about something really fucking important.
But we have to
And
put
we're
some comedy
fucking
in there, 'cause
around.
no one's gonna like it if we. Oh. kicking. Whoa.
Okay.
Whoa. We're alive and kicking.
You could be an asshole. Oh, I thought we died.
Whoa. 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 Alive and kicking.
So, we're here today to talk about the fact that we're his babies.
You can't say that.
I'm pretty sure we fucking can.
Pretty sure if you call somebody a fucking hermaphrodite, you're in trouble.
Hey, Mike Patton, are you a hermaphrodite?
Let's not do that. Let's try that. Let's try my way for a second. Whoa.
Alright.
Alive and kicking.
And we're embryo politico. The political embryo that Mike Patton has figuratively? No. Very literally given birth to. This is the way the world ends. So when you take the story of Pregnant Kid into all of Mike Patton's music, it all starts to make sense. Because,
Let me try this.
we're alive and farting.
Alive and farting.
This is the way the world ends. This is the end of the world, everyone. He illustrates his subject matter in the Church of the Motherfuckers music video, but he takes this story into all of the rest of his music. How do you fucking mother? We discovered this when we ordered all of Mike Patton's music in alphabetical order, as he orders you to do in the Faith No More song, Got That Feeling. Get it? You put it in order because it's in order.
Probably shouldn't say it like that. Probably have to not twist your head so we don't see your hair.
Get it? You put it in order because it's in order. I'm just getting a kick out of your reaction at this point. Get it? Get it? You put it in order because it's in order. From General Patton. General Michael Allen Patton. Anyone familiar with his album General Patton versus the Executioners?
The Church of the Motherfuckers certainly made it.
What were you saying about context clues?
And then you're gonna go into oh no, because evidence or context clues tell me otherwise.
Just context clues tell me otherwise. What the fuck am I talking about?
You gotta use the context clues to figure out the context. Because it's in order.
In order, because it's in order, get it? You put it in order. Alright, that's enough. No, you're done. You're done. We're done. All done. We're done. We actually have something serious to fucking talk about here.
Something. You keep interrupting me. Okay. Whoa.
To really look at what this is, you have to look at the Church of the Motherfuckers music video for what it is.
No, you gotta say that a little different. Because he said what it is 4 times.
He doesn't. You know what? I don't care if I say what it is fucking 5 times. He says, what is it 20 times.
Oh, that's funny.
What is it? It's fucking Pregnant Kid from the Church of the Motherfuckers music video. Why does Pregnant Kid look like a boy? Oh yeah, because he's a quote-unquote hermaphrodite. No, but seriously, what's going on in this music video? You see fucking blood spurt from between Pregnant Kid's legs as he is unable to give birth. That is the story that Mike Patton is telling. He is telling the story of Pregnant Kid, the quote-unquote hermaphrodite, who looked like a boy, who was raped, and human trafficked. We are here to make a scene. However, we're also here to talk about something that is very serious. We'll pluck the fruit from the stems of our screaming youth. Quote-unquote.